Blend ginger root, turmeric, cayenne pepper, key lime, and spring water. You have just made a potent concoction that will enhance your body in several different ways. The ginger is for inflammation and digestion. The turmeric is for inflammation and pain relief. The cayenne is for blood circulation and heart health. And the lime is for immune function and weight loss. I'm warning you though, this mixture is not for the weak. If you can get over the strong taste, you'll immediately see the difference it does to your body. Use this mixture to wake you up in the morning, use this mixture as a natural pre-workout, or use this mixture for an overall health boost. Whichever way you use this mixture, you'll find a benefit. For the best results, drink this on an empty stomach to maximize its effectiveness. For more remedies like this one, click the link in bio for our Herbal Remedy ebook. It has 92 pages of recipes and information, what different herbs do for your body. Follow Divine Herbal Roots for more daily tips about real health.